Okay, so here's DB12 and all the coding. Here's the comment at the bottom here. You'll be able to read that when you open the project. And then one of the mistakes I made beginning was I made sure I corrected the name for the class. I used the correct uppercase and lowercase. And here's for this one here. Got it all here. So when I go to debug, let's see. Go ahead and enter the username and the password. And then I got login successful. And then I go back and say, and if I type in something wrong, same. I get login failed right here. Login failed.